Today I'm going to be installing these gate wheels that I ordered off of Amazon. We have a couple farm gates that drag the ground a little bit, and hoping these wheels will take care of that. Let's get them out of the box, see what they come with. This is what they look like out of the box. Like I said, I bought two. This was a pair. I'm going to put this on one gate and this one on another. They do have these nice little like teeth on this here. So when you tighten this down, they're going to grab into the pipe or whatever kind of gate you have. We have a pipe gate, and that should hold really well. And nice big hardy wheels. It'd be nice if these were a little thicker, but we're on dirt. These should probably do fine. We're gonna see. Let's go get one installed. All right, there's my first one installed. I didn't put it at the very end of the gate because this is a farm gate. We don't have a whole bunch of road base or anything out here. So if I put it on the far edge here, it'd just be in the mud. I have put some base down though, so that's why there's this trail here that we drive the truck on. And when the wheel hits the ground, it hits this road base, so it's a more packed, better ground for it to roll on. But as you can see, it still kind of cuts in the ground a little bit. Here's a little better shot. You can see where I put the wheel, and you can see the mud like I was talking about over here. If I'd have put it there, it would have just dug into the mud. So when it touches the ground, it's going to be hitting this rock and road base, which is a lot more sturdy than the clay when it gets wet. I really like it. I think you will too. I hope all this information's helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.